welcome to Shorthand Simplified. Today I will give you a practice dictation of words and sentences covered in lecture 4 and 5. Start.
They, say, fade, faith, shape, bathe, shade, fed, fetch, death, shed, essay, toe, oat, bow, joe, foe, oath, so, oz, show, showed, boat, both, vote, up, us, tub, touch, Dutch, judge, have, think, them, was, shall, usual, usually, have they paid the debt? They think the debt was paid. Do they say so? They say they paid it to Abe. They have usually paid us. Was it paid to Joe? Shall they show the essay to Joe? Who shall judge the essay? Abe shall be the judge. Show them the boat. Who shall fetch the boat? Which boat shall Joe show to them? They have usually paid us to do it, but they have paid aid too. They both say so. They think they have to vote to aid them. Which was the page they showed us? Who was up to the page 2? They both say it was usual to vote.
Thank you.